Hello, Jason. Look what you're doing. Need an antidote. Let's play a game.
It didn't fall. Show was supposed to be good.
Oh, you gotta do it again. I moved. Sorry.
That was good. Ready? Action.
Wow.
Dude, quiet on the freaking thing.
Oh. Ow.
What?
Oh.
I'm gonna punch you.
Oh, well, come on, you gotta tell me.
Yeah.
Tell me how.
Ready?
Ow.
Can I do that as action?
Yes.
Okay.
Ow. Oh.
Ah, it's cold. Does it look like I'm actually going through his torso? Actually, I didn't even get the glove at all. Oh, okay. Ready? Try it again.
Okay. That was
Against the wall. Let's get this tripod.
Okay. Right back. Come here.
What are you doing?
That actually hurt when I fell. And that fat over there pushed me. Hurt. Well, we found a very strange insect. Or not really insect at all. It's a
Where'd it go? It seems to be some sort of orange worm type thing.
I'm not trying to be like a nerd reference, but it reminds me of something from StarCraft.
Who cares if we're nerds or not?
I thought you would have said that.
It looks really, really awesome. I think
It looks a bit like a... At first I thought it was a yellow jacket or something, but... Might be some type of moth larva or something.
we're going on the effects here. Starting to add the fire effects. Let's see. Gotta fix it though, it's not supposed to do that.